Hi guys, I'm Fernando Victoria, 21 years old, and I'm from Tijuana, Mexico. First of all, I'd like to thank you for letting me participate in your project, and I really admire what you're doing here. But before I get into my idea, I'd like to share a bit of my background. Okay, so I was born in San Diego, California, and I have been living in Mexico basically all my life. Ever since I was a kid, I've been involved in charities related to helping out less fortunate communities, which made me aware of the issues that Mexico and other third world countries face. The past couple of years, I've been working in business and accounting, and with this experience, I've noticed that most of Mexico and other third world countries' problems arise from the lack of education.
David. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doctora Juguetes. Policía.
Education is the root of most social problems within our society. It is of vital importance for a child's better understanding of his surroundings, and it helps with children's social interaction and cognitive development. And it's not that children here are different than anywhere else in the world. It's a system that doesn't pursue the same goals.
Julio. 8. 6. 10. Una maestra. Maestra. A mí me gusta.
Now, by understanding Mexico and other third world countries, we can identify pros and cons. Culture, nature, traditions, history, hard workers, corruption, insecurity, lack of education, poverty, and inequality. By analyzing the pros and cons, I thought of a solution to eradicate or change one of the major cons in third world countries, starting by Mexico. Why not use culture to combat the lack of education? The main idea goes like this. Here in Mexico, textile culture and craftsmanship is very popular among traditional communities. The idea is to utilize this pro characteristic to sell a consumer good product in the fashion industry. The profits made by the sale of this handcrafted product will specifically go to the building of schools and other education-related projects. In this scenario, there are several individuals benefited by this action: consumers, craftsmen, kids, and the community. To make this idea a reality, I already have product designs, a marketing strategy, and connections with native craftsmen. The two missing pieces are social media exposure and financing for this charity. I hope you can join us on this journey.
Oh man, this is human education against lies. You better know the flavor, kid. Human education against lies tries to open the eyes of humanity before it dies. Black and white ain't the real fight. That's the only thing the media hypes. The real fight of these major corporations holding back on real education. Before you're a color, first you're human. Teaching humanity is what we're doing.